going to talk about some of the edge cases, but in general, when you have a piece of equipment, an air conditioner, that already, while it's running under normal load conditions, does a pretty good job of pulling moisture out of the space, right? It's doing something. Again, this is if it's set up properly and it actually has a cold evaporative coil and all this stuff. If you take dried hot air, and I'm making this very simple, if you take pre-dried hot air and you dump it in to the return right before it goes into the unit, you're derating, you're removing the capacity of that equipment to do the thing that it was already doing. So in essence, you're spending BTUs in order to add reheat, but you're adding that reheat and drying right before another unit that you're already paying to help you dehumidify. So it's just a waste. You have two systems that both have moisture removal capacity, use them both. If you take it and dump it into the return, you're losing a lot of that capacity by derating the air. Does that make sense?
It's the same thing that you were talking about